before I show you how to build, I'm going to quickly run down the 3 types of pressure plates. So you got 1, 2, and 3. 1 works by only opening when a player touches the pressure plate. 2 only opens when a player steps off of the part. And 3 only works when a player is continuously standing on the part. Alright, now let's get into the breakdown. So you essentially just have what is a normal door system with an extra part that acts as your pressure plate. So you have receivers 1 and 2, which represents the positions in which your door is going to be. And then you have your pressure plate. Alright, now let's get into the build. Start out by making 2 parts. The size doesn't matter. Make a 3rd part. This 3rd part is going to be your actual door part. We are not going to mess around with any town wiring in it. It's simply going to represent your door. Now, create a 4th part. This part is going to become your pressure plate. Note that the system can still work even if your pressure plate has collision off. Alright, let's get into the wiring. You're going to want to select the first part that you created and add a texture. Make sure it's added to the front side. Set the transparency of the texture to -500. This just lets town know that this is a wiring part. Now select the first repeat variable. It's on the left side, by the way. Set it to 1. The other repeat variable dictates the time in seconds it takes for the door to fully open. So I want it to be kind of quick. I'm going to set it to 0.25. Now select this part and repeat the steps. But make sure that you set the left repeat variable to 2 because this is the final position that your door is going to be at when it opens. If you would like to add audio to your door, paste the audio ID into the image ID slot of the texture. Okay, now select your pressure plate. Add a texture to the front side and set the transparency to -500. Now set the first repeat variable to 7. This lets town know that this part is going to act as a pressure plate. It only sends a signal when a player touches it. Now, the other repeat variable will dictate what type of door this is. Remember the doors I showed you? Yeah, they correspond with this variable. So let's say I want a door that opens but closes when I run through it quickly. I'd use door number 3. So I set my second repeat variable to 3. Group everything related to this door together. I will type WC in the chat to wire it. So now, when I step on it, the door will open, I can run through. When I step off, it immediately closes. Thank you for watching.